Okay, next in the logical mathematics or logical aptitude, we are going to see about a letter series. Okay, so in the letter series, see here, this is a question. R, Q, P, comma, O, N, M, comma. Here dash. You want to find it out, the set of 3 letter wants to come here. Next, I, H, G. Next, F, E, D. So find the missing letters, and I have come up with the 4 options. Option A, C, D, E. Option B, L, K, I. Option C, L, K, J. Option D, D, A, C. Okay. So I will give you some seconds because then the time will keep on taking. So if I'm giving us some 10 count, can you find it out the answer here? Okay, did you find it out the answer? Shall I? Okay, so listen here. So if you want to see the answer from the option is, listen here. So this is, they are given from the reverse order. If you check it, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. So they are giving the alphabetics from the reverse order. Okay, so what is the answer? D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. So option C is the answer, L, K, J. Okay, so M, N, O, P, Q, R. So this is how to find it out. So this is if you keep on doing these kind of the sum, then only have an idea to think, oh, this is the way to think, oh, this is the way you should not think, oh, this is the options, we are getting the answer through from the options. Okay, so you cannot get the these kind of so that means you cannot get the idea from the only 1 sums or only 10 sums. You want to keep on doing these kind of the sums. Okay, so next one, this is a question, petal, flower. So this is a question, which option should be matching with the question. So listen, petal, flower. Option A, pen, paper, engine, car, cat, dog, ball, game. Yes, the flower have a petal. So pen and paper is a matching things, isn't it? So engine and car, of course. Cat and dog, the both are animals. Next, a ball and a game. So ball and a game. The matching. So which is going to be a perfect matching means, let's check out with the options. Listen here, petal and flower. So flower has petal, isn't it? The flower has petals. So here the paper have pen? No. Pen have paper? No. Cat have dog or dog have cat? No. The ball has game? No. Game has ball? No. So it's a type of a game, that's it. It's not anything like a parts. So but engine and car. So car is a machine, the engine is a one of the parts. So here the flower is a thing, the petal is a one of the parts. So here the engine and car is the correct option. Okay, next, third. Which word does not belong to others? That is, they are given an option, 4 options. Which one is does not matching? So like an odd man out. So here inch, kilogram, centimeter, yard. If you take inch, centimeter and yard, this is like measuring. This is to measuring in like a 2 inch, like a centimeter and yard. This is a meter. Meter wise measurements, but the kilogram is a weight. So the kilogram is the correct answer. Okay, so because the inch, centimeter, yard are same, your odd man out is kilogram. Next, fourth one, and animals always has, this is a very peculiar and a very interesting one. An animal always has, every time has, what is have? Every time they have skin, every time they have a heart, every time they have a lungs, life, ears. So which one should be the correct answer? Okay, I will tell you. Animal always has life. Okay, so animals always has life. This is a correct answer. So this is a logical aptitude, some questions. If you keep on doing this logical aptitude or reasoning, then your brain development will be marvelous, and you cannot find it out the method from the 1 to 2 sums. If you keep on doing these kind of sums, then only you will get it out the some point of thinking, oh, so shall I want to think it on that way, shall I want to think it on this way. Okay, you get the one fine idea. Next set of logical reasoning aptitude question. If in a certain language Noida is coded as OPJEB, how is Delhi coded in that language? Okay, so now we want to find it out how they written Noida as the OPJEB. So we want to find it out. So I am just find it out after NO, after OP, after IJ, after DE, after AB, then of course the Delhi after DE, after EF, after LM, after HI, after IJ. So option B is the right answer. Sometimes, for example, listen, for example, if the Noida, isn't it? So Noida is the answer. So they may be coded in the number. For example, they will contain A1, okay, D4. Okay, so will they number also, we want to check it on that way. If they given the number, you want to put the number for each and every alphabet from A to Z. You want to put alphabet A1, B2, C3. You want to put an alphabet, and also you can find it out. This is also in another type of questions. They will ask the coded as the numbers also. Okay, if there is a numbers, you want to put a 1, 2, 3 for the whole alphabetic from A to Z. Okay, so here the Noida, they can be coded. How they coded? They coded from the one number, one letter forward. NO, OP, IJ, DE, AB. So they may be one letter forward they have put it. So how we want to code it? Delhi, after DE, after EF, after LJ, after HI, after after IJ. Okay, so we want to code it as like this. Okay, next, book. So book is related to education, is of course. The books contain picture, yes. The book have pages, yes. The book have, from the book we can get the knowledge. So which is will be the very closer. So if you take education, it's not that much closer. Okay, if you take pictures, yes, it's a closer. Some book doesn't have a pictures also. That there is an options also. But in every book they will have a pages. So pages will be the right answer. So next, third one, see here, listen carefully. Select 3 figures out of the following 5 figures which when fitted into each other would form a square. Okay, so 1, this is a 1 part, this is a 2, this is a 3, and this is a 4, and this is a 5. So if you arrange any 3 numbers, any 3 images, we want to form a square. So if I take 1, 2, 5, if I take 1, 2, 5, then I form as a square. Let's we check. So what is a 1 here? 1. This is a 1. I have drawn it. This is a 2. Next, this is a 5. So already I am having the line here and I am having this line here. So 1, 2, 5 is the right answer. If you take 1, 2 and 5, we get the proper square. Okay, so this is the every sum will be different from one another. So only I am telling, if you cannot come to the judge, okay, I have just did the 10 problems, I will be well versed in a logical aptitude. No, there are a lot of n numbers of logical aptitude question is there. So you want to keep on practicing. See here, so that everything have wrote from the logical aptitude series what I have started. So till now the one question is very different from the others, so only I am telling, the every questions will be different. Okay, so you want to keep on doing practicing in the logical aptitude. So what is the main usage of studying logical aptitude means, you if you are writing any TANCET or any TNPSC or any IBPSC back exams, you need to know about the logical and reasoning aptitude. Okay,